Hello! So today I'm going to be showing you how I like to draw chibi eyes, and this is not every way how you're supposed to draw it, but this is how I do it. So first you're going to want to start with your guidelines. They're going to help you know where the eyes are supposed to go and how far away space they're supposed to be, and the basis of where they should go. So the bottom line should be where the bottom of the eye is kind of near. You can draw a little bit above that if you're going for more stylized look, but that's technically where you're supposed to put it. And then you're going to want to draw like an oval shape, or depending, you can also use the same method with a circle. But you're going to want to draw an oval shape and try to refrain from copy and pasting the same shape twice. It can kind of make the eyes look weird, so just keep going until you get to ovals that you like. Next, you're going to want to try to find where the top and the bottom of the ovals are, or circles. And you're going to want to make a kind of like semi-circle type shape above it. And this is going to be the eye liner, kind of. So the point of the left part of the eye is going to come into a tiny bit of a triangle. And you can fill that in, or you can make it a color if you'd like. I just keep it black because that's how I like to draw it. And you can mess around with this a little bit until you find the way that you like to do it. Usually I mess around with it a few times to see how I would like to draw it. Next, you can add the eyelashes. I like to add a few little eyelashes at different spots, but you can add them wherever you like. Now I'm going to be showing you how I color the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to teach you how to color with brown first, but you can use this method the same way with any color. So first you're going to want to take a dark color. Let's say you're using dark brown. You're going to want to take a super dark brown, and you're going to want to fill the whole eye area with that color. And then you're going to take a color slightly lighter to that, and you're going to make a half circle shape at the bottom of the eye.
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it.
And fill it in.
Are you?
Then you're going to want to make a small oval in the middle of the eye for the pupil. That using an even darker color than you did for the base of the eye. Then you're going to want to take a lighter color than you did at the bottom, and you're going to make a triangle shape but without the point on the top. You're going to put a small circle even lighter than that in the middle of that triangle. And you can also put some on top of the eye to make it look a bit shinier.
Fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it.
Next, you're going to add 2 white spots at each side of the eye, 2 white circles, and you can also add one at the top near the highlight. And then you're going to want to pick a airbrush. You can use any other brush, but use airbrush, and kind of lightly circle around it a bit, and that'll make it look like as if it's glowing. And there you have it. We're pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something from it, and I'll be trying to do more tutorials in the future. And if you learned something, I'm glad, and comment below if this was helpful for you, and tell me if you want to see more tutorials like this. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.